Lately, I've been realizing that burnout doesn't always come with warning signs. Sometimes you just wake up feeling mentally exhausted, even from the things you once loved. Coming to the hills slowed life down for me in ways I didn't expect. I've been spending more time cooking, being outdoors, and reconnecting with simple routines that make me feel grounded again. I think sometimes we pressure ourselves too much to always be productive, always available, always on. And after a while, you don't even realize how disconnected you've become from yourself. Even something as simple as seasoning food and cooking a meal has started feeling therapeutic for me. It forces me to slow down, be present, and quiet my mind for a little. I'm learning that resting isn't laziness, and taking time to reset doesn't mean you're falling behind in life. Sometimes peace looks like quiet moments, good food, movement, nature, and learning yourself again. Alright guys, so today the chicken is a little bit more golden than the last time, but I just saw cooking good. Some days you get it the way how you want it, some days it just not goes right. I'm using my phone, I'm not using my actual camera, so you're not really getting that golden glow, but the chicken is absolutely golden and glowing. And I did some raw veg today with cucumbers, and I'm gonna be drinking my carrot, mango, and ginger, and something else in there. Oh yeah, I did also add the cashew apples to it. That's the juice I'm gonna be drinking.
So you have to take the food outside. It's too nice. Actually, quite nice. Me could have want more nice at the lunch shop. Okay. Our chicken, watch out. Don't play with it. Yard vibes. Not telling a lie. Nothing about my chicken, no shaky. No extra season, no extra salt, no. The chicken just in the right flavor. And one thing I want them to understood: when you're good, you're good. But bye.
I don't think people are okay right now. And not in a dramatic way, just quietly. Like everybody is tired and no one truly wants to admit it. It's not even just physical tired. It's mental, it's emotional, even social. You can be around people and still feel drained. You can sleep and still wake up tired. Because it's not rest that we're lacking. It's peace. But here's the thing. Nobody wants to say they're tired because it feels like failure. Like you're not strong enough. Like you're not doing enough. Like you're not disciplined enough. So instead, we push through it, smile through it, post through it, and pretend everything is fine. We've gotten so used to performing that even our energy is fake now. You show up outside smiling, but inside, you're drained. You're laughing, but you're not really enjoying it. You're there, but you're not really present. Because deep down, you just needed rest. And the scary part is, life doesn't really give you the space to rest. Life doesn't really give you the space to stop. Because bills don't stop. Expectations don't stop, and people just don't stop wanting things. So even though you know you're tired, you just keep going anyway, and slowly that turns into burnout. I think what people really need right now is permission to slow down, to not have everything figured out, to not always be on, and to not always be available, to just exist for a moment without pressure. Because being tired doesn't mean you're failing. It just means you're carrying too much for too long. And maybe the real problem isn't that you're tired. Maybe it is that you haven't had space to rest properly. So, be honest with me. When was the last time you actually felt rested? Not distracted, not entertained, but genuinely at peace. Drop a T in the comment section if you've been feeling like this lately, and tell me, what are some of the things that has been draining you the most?
Today we are doing a 30-minute no equipment workout in nature. When I just like to see little snippets of how I stay fit in the country. Yeah, I see the fat I come from the other day in my arms and in my stomach, and definitely anytime my stomach I get big, you know, me not love it. So you know we have to do something about it. This is how we maintain our structure. So, you know, working out also helps you to keep your mind at ease. Another way to just gain clarity. And I don't know, when I start my mornings with a workout, my day just goes smooth. It feels super productive. You know, I'm more energized to perform throughout the day. So we're going to definitely start our morning in nature when I can hear the birds, which is also something that keeps your mind relaxed whenever you are working out. And the breeze is just cool and I can see, you know, chill in nature. YouTube has a lot of helpful workout videos that you can use, and all you have to do is just find videos that are targeting the areas that you want to work on. Let's go. So I'm going to do about 5 more minutes of workout.